Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give my honest product review over the Sweese bowls that I've recently received by mail. So I took them out of the Amazon box. I did get these off of Amazon. That was the way they sent them to me, but they do have a website where you guys can purchase these from. I will link that in the description box below. Packaging is very nice. It is padded on all four sides. So then it comes with an extended warranty. I like that. That's pretty neat how it opens up like that. And then it talks about your replacements. If you need a replacement, or if you need a replacement, it talks about that. So you have that. Have this really cool coaster thingy. And my first look when I get them out is, again, wow, the quality. Each bowl has its individual liner so they don't get scratched, chipped during shipping. And I love that. These are porcelain. They are microwave and dishwasher safe, oven safe, and lead free. So those things are definitely important to me. So these bowls are definitely of a great weight. They're not too heavy and they are not too light, if that makes sense. I'm just really loving the attention to detail that they put into these bowls. So as I'm holding this, it's almost like the grooves are made for your hand or for your fingers to actually hold the bowl and prevent it from slipping. I chose white because it just looks so crisp and clean. So I immediately started to take them out of the box because I wanted to see how well they stacked on one another. And I was very impressed that they stacked in really well. The fourth bowl was kind of wobbly, so I went with just stacking 3. Overall, I'm really impressed with the quality, the look, and the design of the bowl. Y'all, these are really nice. They reached out to me and asked if I would review their product. And of course I said yes, because I wanted to see what their company was about. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would definitely give them a 10. I'm not even joking. Like, look at that. Look how pretty those are. Comment below and let me know if I made a great choice, or should I have asked for a pop of color. I can definitely see like a chili night with some chili. They're really deep too, so I could see like a bowl of chili with some nice toppings of cheese and oyster crackers, a good salad maybe to go in here. Definitely a soup of some sort with the holidays coming up and it, getting cooler outside, maybe a bowl of cereal, some oatmeal. There's so many opportunities that we could use these for. So yes, definitely. So I'm not sure if I told you guys this, but this is a set of 6 and I was allowed to choose the item that I wanted to review. Well, that's all for today's video. A special thank you again to Sweese for allowing me to review their product and sending me the bowls. I absolutely love them. And as always, if you're not living life with Lon, then you're missing out. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.